Pet lovers, are you ready to transform your furry friend's life? From cutting-edge gadgets to game-changing tools, we're counting down the top 10 pet must-haves that will make you and your pet's world easier, healthier, and more fun. Let's dive in. This is the LifeWit Hidden Cat Litter Box, a game-changer for cat owners. Designed as a sleek faux plant pot, it blends into any room while offering a spacious, cat-friendly interior. The low threshold ensures easy access for all cats, and the carbon filter neutralizes odors, keeping your home fresh. Cleaning is simple with its detachable design and glossy surface. Plus, it's durable with a secure top and handy scoop. Style meets function. Your cat's comfort, your home's elegance. This is the stainless steel cat water fountain, designed to keep your pets happy and hydrated. With a convenient water level window, you'll know when it's time to refill without lifting the lid. Its 304 stainless steel body is durable, hygienic, and easy to clean. The quadruple filtration system ensures pure fresh water by trapping hair, dirt, and odors. The ultra-quiet pump keeps your home peaceful, while the flowing water entices pets to drink more. Plus, its 3.2-liter capacity ensures a week of hydration for your furry friends. This is the ultimate dog camera plus nanny bundle, designed to keep an eye on your furry friends while ensuring their safety. With a rotating pet treat dispenser and built-in camera, you can interact with your dog, toss treats, and monitor their activities from your phone. The two-way speaker lets you talk to your pet, while smart safety alerts keep you updated. Perfect for pet parents who want peace of mind, this device is your all-in-one pet companion for security, fun, and care. This GPS tracker for dogs is your ultimate pet safety companion. With real-time tracking and updates every 2 to 3 seconds, you'll always know your dog's location, no matter where they roam. Set virtual fences and get instant alerts if they leave a safe zone. Monitor their health and activity with detailed insights via the Tractive app. Designed for adventure, it's lightweight, waterproof, and offers a long-lasting battery. Subscription plans start at just $5 a month for nationwide coverage. Peace of mind at your fingertips. This automatic silicone bristles pet paw cleaner cup is a game changer for keeping muddy paws clean. Its dense, soft silicone bristles provide a gentle yet thorough clean, perfect for small to medium-sized pets. With a one-button operation, just add water and shampoo, insert the paw, and press to clean. No holding paws required. The rechargeable 1500 mAh battery ensures portability, and it's easy to disassemble and clean after use. This compact, hassle-free gadget is a must-have gift for any pet owner. This dog ring launcher starter pack is a perfect playtime companion for your furry friend. The Hurry K9 launcher can shoot rings up to an impressive 100 feet, giving your dog the ultimate exercise and mental stimulation. The EVA foam rings are safe, non-toxic, and durable, meeting stringent safety standards. With adjustable distance control, this launcher is ideal for both indoor and outdoor fun. It's easy to use for people of all ages, making it a versatile and engaging way to keep your dog entertained and healthy. This upgraded pet hair remover glove takes grooming to the next level. With 255 soft silicone tips, it mimics your touch, offering a relaxing massage while removing dirt and loose fur. It's perfect for pets with long, short, or curly hair, dogs, cats, even horses. The shedding fur sticks to the glove, making cleanup effortless. Use it during baths for a gentle scrub that leaves coats shiny and skin unharmed. Designed for comfort, these gloves fit all sizes with adjustable wrist straps. Grooming made easy and enjoyable for both you and your pet. This Dog Bath Brush Pro is the ultimate grooming tool for your furry friend. Combining a sprayer, scrubber, and massager in one, it makes bath time a breeze. Crafted from premium silicone, it's gentle yet effective on coats of all lengths. With adjustable water pressure and an 8-foot hose with adapters for indoor and outdoor use, it ensures a customizable and relaxing bath experience. Whether it's a deep clean or a soothing rinse, this all-in-one tool offers professional-level care, making grooming easy and enjoyable for both you and your pet. This Waterpik Pet Wand Pro dog shower attachment makes bath time quick and easy. Its innovative wand design provides full water coverage for dogs of all sizes, with contoured water comb and narrow spray options for thorough cleaning and gentle care. Perfect for indoor and outdoor use, it easily connects to a shower arm or garden hose. The 8-foot flex hose ensures mobility, while the included accessories create a complete bathing station. With one-handed operation and professional-grade cleaning, it's the ultimate grooming tool for a stress-free pet bath experience. This little Dipper Dog bathtub and wash station transforms pet bathing into a breeze. With a lightweight, foldable design, it's perfect for indoor or outdoor use, offering 360-degree access for hassle-free cleaning. The elevated height saves your back while grooming, and side pockets keep essentials handy. Built with durable marine-grade PVC and stainless aluminum tubing, it supports up to 130 pounds while staying sturdy. Ideal for small to medium-sized pets, it's compact and easy to store, making bath time efficient and stress-free. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the top 10 pet gadgets every pet lover should know about. We hope these amazing tools bring more joy, health, and convenience to your life with your furry friend. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting pet tips and gadgets, and share this video with your fellow pet parents. Don't forget to drop a comment below and tell us which gadget you loved the most. See you in the next one.